today we're wearing bunny ears. So happy Good Friday, happy Easter.
All that good stuff.
Yeah, all the Easter stuff. Today is actually Heather's idea because we were in the grocery store. What did you see, a painting egg kit or?
Yes.
And she's like, oh, let's paint eggs. And I'm like, what?
Yeah, Courtney's never painted eggs on Easter before.
Yeah, so she's like, we gotta do it. So we're gonna make a video out of it. We're gonna have an Easter egg hunt and we're going to paint some eggs. So let's get started and I hope you enjoy the video. Welcome to the kitchen. I got this little kit from Walmart. I also got one from the dollar store, but I found this one at Walmart when I went yesterday and I was like, I probably should buy this one. Okay. So I guess the first step in this egg process is to boil the eggs. We are back after letting the eggs cool for an hour. And we're gonna paint them now! We are going to do our Easter egg hunt. We got little baskets and some chocolate, and Heather's gonna hide them for me first, and I'm gonna hide them for her. We're such losers!
Okay, no peeking.
I'm not gonna peek. I feel like I'm a child all over again. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope your Easter is filled with family and friends and chocolate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And if you want to see more of Heather, her links will be down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!